What's up, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be installing these full cal speakers in the front dash area on the TJ. Just going to show you how to use these dash pods. These are really great. I've used these on my dad's Jeep Project 4 banger, and I really like them. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys how to actually fit them in the 97 to 02 TJs. It's gonna be a little bit different than the 03 to 06s. 03 to 06 is pretty much plop it right in. The older models have a brace that we need to hack up a little bit to get these guys to fit, and then we'll do a little bit of grinding in a certain area because these speakers kind of sit out a little farther than the kickers do. They're a little bit bigger, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right, so you're gonna come to your dash corners here. There's two Phillips head screws, so take a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, so real simple. You're just gonna kind of pull straight back out here. Just like that. Pull it out. Make sure these metal clips stay on the plastic here. Make sure they'll stay on, but that's pretty much it. All right, then we have just 4 Phillips head screws to get the stock speaker out. Real simple. Pull this guy out. It's got a magnet, this might stick. Okay, then all you gotta do is lift up on this little clip. It's gonna lift up and pull out, just like that. And there's the stock dinky little speaker. Apparently made in Mexico, Chrysler. Okay, so you see this piece here? This is the piece that we have to cut out, and it's already kind of, it's not pre-cut, but this is where we're gonna cut just down here and then cut here. You're gonna get yourselves a nice set of like metal cutting shears, and we're just gonna go ahead in here and okay, so I cut through that. Okay, just like that. It's still, I don't even know why they have this in here. It's still ridiculously strong. Really no need for it, but that's what that piece looks like. In my case, I'm going to grind this area down a little bit because these full cals really stick out. All right, so I don't mess up this wire here, I'm gonna undo this little bolt here and get the ground wire out of the way. And we can just slip it behind. I've tried a Dremel before. That would probably be a little bit better, but we're gonna try to speed up the process here. I was having issues with one of the screws right here that's underneath this panel here. Panel that goes right up here. Just 2 screws, one there. Pull it off. And then there's this little screw that was going through here, so I shortened it. Just took a little snips and I just cut it off there. And now, be a lot shorter now, so that way it's not gonna come into contact with that speaker. Alrighty, so I ended up grinding a lot more than just that one little pass I did. Just be careful, this stuff is super sharp and likes to get jammed in your fingers. So just ground it down pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and put this guy back here. Reground this and then plug it in. I'm gonna do some cable management underneath on the inside, just so it doesn't bang around when it's back behind here, but okay. Perfect. Let's screw that guy in. There we go, it kind of sucks it up in there. kind of out of the way, which is good. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're really good and clearanced. Gonna set this tweeter up so it's pointing up at me. All right, so something weird I noticed on the passenger side is I just bent this back this way. So basically I did this, and I bent it out, and then I just went in here and snipped this out. So this, and then I just twisted this. So I twisted it off, and I didn't have to do anything here. It just fits. So not exactly sure why, but maybe if you want to try this first before doing the grinder, and then as you can see, I just have hammered this kind of a little bit more flush. So I don't know, just a little thing I noticed on doing this side. So that is, I got some good clearance. So when if the speaker does come out, there is a decent amount of space in between this and the actual rubber speaker area. And yeah, one thing you probably could do is you probably could bend this metal just a hair backwards to give you some more space. That I could see definitely doing. I might do that a little bit, where I'll just probably put a punch here and hammer it back, so it just tilts the speaker far just a little bit, just to give me a little bit more space. But simple way to get her done, plop her in like that, and then the 2 screws, and we're done. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the other side. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.